guys, Ted here with Sledgehammer Fitness. Sometimes it's not all about just lifting weights. Sometimes it's about pulling weight. Pulling your own weight, pulling your gym partner's weight, them pulling your weight, and every day is a struggle. I don't know if y'all can judge the distance, but I've already went all the way down to the last cars that are facing us, which is almost an eighth of a mile. Turned around and came back. I'm a quarter of a mile in. I just want to show you guys what it looks like when you're not 100%. Sledgehammer Fitness isn't about giving 50% all the time. It's about giving 100%, working your way down to 70 and down to 50, because that's when you start seeing the changes. That's when you start losing the weight. That's when you start building the muscle. It's not the first 10 reps, it's the last 10 reps. And here at Sledgehammer, this is how we do it. Wherever you start, you always got to finish there. Winners don't take days off. Ever. Eat right. Lift right. No matter what you do, do it 100%. Sledgehammer Fitness.